These activations goes beyond our mind can understand. So it's an activation that works with your bodies and shifts frequencies and helps you to realign and rebalance with your true soul's wish and your heart's purpose. And this time I channeled a sound and energy activation around boundaries, healthy boundaries, and being able to feel them clear and take care of yourself in new ways. And for me, it's also really connected with the new moon that is coming now, the last new moon of the new year, of this year.